What's happening, people? The weather's turned super hot again and we've all been struggling a little bit with the heat today. So we've decided to keep things nice and light with this Mediterranean style prawn dish. I get cracking by prepping some veggies. These red onions and the garlic all came from my allotment. I'm really pleased to be finally using some of my own produce. As well as these, I dice up some red and orange pepper. I'm cooking these in a cast iron pan, which is already really hot as it's in a 220-degree oven. To season, I'm using salt, pepper, onion granules, sumac and lemongrass. To go with this dish, I'm going to make some homemade flatbreads. To a mixing bowl, I add 300 grams of self-raising flour, 150 grams of Greek yogurt, a teaspoon of both salt and baking powder, 2 tablespoons of both water and sunflower oil. Chuck this in a mixer till it's all combined into a nice light dough. While that's mixing, I've got a little bit of time to slice up some spring onions. These two are from my allotment. My veggies have now been in that really hot oven for 10-15 minutes. They've got a really nice char from that cast iron pan. So in go my king prawns with a little more oil, salt and pepper. Keep a close eye on them. These prawns are only going to need 3-4 minutes in an oven that hot. My dough's now come together nicely for the flatbread, so I'll roll it out and break it down into 5 different equal portions. Using a rolling pin, I roll them out into small flat circles. I leave them roughly 5mm thick, so even when they cook, they'll keep a nice chewy bready middle. Whilst I'm cooking the flatbreads, Don's cracks on with a nice balsamic salad. She washes and cuts up a lettuce, which also came from my allotment. To this, she adds cucumber, vine tomatoes, a good glug of olive oil, salt, pepper and balsamic glaze. And that's it, we're ready to serve up. We bring all those delicious elements together. We've got those tender prawns with the char grilled veg, balsamic salad and the homemade flatbreads. Delicious.